Hi, welcome to this video where I will show you how to create e-commerce website in Prestashop tutorial for beginners. So let's get started. First of all, open Prestashop and download it. It will download in the downloads folder, or you can also download it by example. So on Apache and MySQL, click Start. Then open new browser and search for localhost, and the PHP admin will open. Here, create new database with the name of Prestashop DB and click on the Create button. Then go to this PC and then click Desktop. After that, click Folder of Prestashop and now unzip the folder. Copy all the files. Then go to C folder and then click on Example. After clicking Example, click on htdocs. Now make a new folder, namely Prestashop, and paste all the copied files there. Then open localhost, Prestashop, and wait for the download. After the installation, set up the entire Prestashop like language, agreement, system compatibility, store information, configuration, and after all these steps, the installation will be finished. Then click Backend Store and Frontend Store to see. And here the e-commerce site will open, and here the backend of e-commerce site. So that's how you will create e-commerce website in Prestashop. That's all for this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.